Hi, my name is Andree Blaukat and I'm the CEO of Tessellate Bio. Tessellate Bio was created in 2020 based on scientific findings of Klaus Arzalin in Lisbon in Portugal and Hilda Pickett in Sydney. It started when I was 10 or 11 years old. I got one of these sets to do chemistry experiments, and then I actually had my own lab in our basement and doing chemistry experiments. That's how it started with science. Then becoming CEO of a biotech company that develops new cancer medicines, that's of course a long journey. I worked for 20 years at the German Merck organization, 10 years leading oncology research there. At Tessellate Bio, we develop new types of cancer medicines. Cancer medicines that are based on the concept of synthetic lethality. Synthetic lethality means that cancers under certain circumstances depend on a target or a pathway that is redundant or not essential in normal cells. So our approach has the potential to treat 10 to 15% of all cancers. The approach is a precision medicine approach. Therefore, it is not indication specific. It is more specific for cancers that use this telomere maintenance mechanism. And these are, for instance, mesenchymal tumors like sarcomas, but also brain cancers, but also breast cancers, lung cancer, colorectal cancer. And the proportion of tumors that depend on this mechanism is very different. And that's why we need to develop also a diagnostic, an appropriate companion diagnostic, to identify those tumors that rely on the mechanism we are targeting. This approach is called precision medicine, and it is really the new way how to treat cancer patients. In other cases, just to give you an example, if you have headache and you take an aspirin or paracetamol, it's most likely going to work. So you don't need to identify those patients where it works, because it works in 100% of cases. For cancer treatments, it is very different. They do not work in all patients. They work in a certain fraction of patients. And for this, you need to develop the appropriate diagnostic. And that's what we are doing. And this was also one of the reasons why I joined this company, because we really take this serious, developing drugs and the corresponding diagnostics with the vision to turn cancer patients into cancer survivors.